Understanding the difference, ChatGPT versus Google search, which is right for you? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to explain the difference between ChatGPT and Google search, using simple language and examples. ChatGPT is a computer program that can have a conversation with you and provide answers to your questions. It uses artificial intelligence to understand what you're asking and generates responses based on the information it has been trained on. Think of it as a virtual assistant that can chat with you and give you information. On the other hand, Google Search is a popular search engine that helps you find information on the internet. When you type a question or a keyword into the Google search bar, it shows you a list of web pages, articles, videos, and other sources that are relevant to your query. Google Search uses complex algorithms to analyze billions of web pages and rank them based on their relevance and quality. The main difference between ChatGPT and Google Search is in how they provide information. ChatGPT generates responses based on its training, which means it uses a large dataset of text from the internet to learn patterns and generate relevant answers. It can provide more detailed and specific information because it has a deep understanding of language. For example, if you ask ChatGPT, "What is the capital of India?" it will likely respond with Delhi, because it has learned that Delhi is the capital of India. On the other hand, when you type the same question into Google Search, it will show you a list of web pages that contain information about the capital of India. You need to click on one of the search results to find the answer. Google Search provides a broader range of information sources and allows you to explore multiple perspectives and details. For someone who is illiterate or not familiar with using the internet, ChatGPT can be more helpful because it can have a conversation and directly provide answers. They can simply ask questions and get responses without needing to search through web pages. However, Google Search is beneficial when you want to research a topic more extensively or explore different sources of information. It can be useful for finding news, articles, videos, images, and other types of content that may not be accessible through a conversation with ChatGPT. In summary, ChatGPT is like a conversational assistant that generates responses based on its training, while Google Search is a search engine that provides a list of web pages relevant to your query. ChatGPT is more suitable for direct questions and conversation, while Google Search is better for broader research and exploration of information on the internet. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to comment, and I will try to explain them in the next video.